Welcome to Knowledge Time. Let us now solve sum number 5 of exercise 8.4. What is given in this? It is given quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. E and F are the midpoints. You joined AF and you joined EC. You have to prove that AF and EC trisect the diagonal BD. What means trisection means what? If this point P is there, then DP upon DB should be equal to 1 upon 3 and QB upon BD should be equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, so you have to prove this part is equal to this part is equal to this part. That is the meaning of trisection. All the three parts are equal. Now, what is the first step? You have to remember this sum properly. What is the first step is you have to prove this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Nothing is given about it. First, you will have to prove this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Which quadrilateral? Quadrilateral AECF is a parallelogram that you will have to prove. How will I prove this? Can I say AB is equal to CD? Why? Opposite sides of a parallelogram, correct? So if I take AB is equal to 2A, then DC is also equal to 2A, right? Whenever midpoints are given, you take the whole side of double of something. So this becomes A and this becomes A. Why? Because E is the midpoint, and here DF becomes A and FC becomes A. Why? Because F is the midpoint of DC. So this is A and this is A. So can I say FC is equal to AE? Yes, both are equal to A. Also, can I say DC is parallel to AB? Why? Opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel to each other. So can I say FC is also parallel to AE? Why? Because D, F and C are collinear and A, E and B are collinear. So therefore FC is parallel to AE and FC is equal to AE. So AEFC becomes a parallelogram. So quadrilateral AEFC becomes a parallelogram. Therefore, AF is parallel to EC, opposite sides of a parallelogram. So this is the first step. First step is you have to prove that AF is parallel to EC, which is most important. It is not given AF is parallel to EC, and you cannot take construction also. You will have to prove that AF is parallel to EC. Now, come to triangle A, B and P. In triangle A, B and P, can I say E is the midpoint of AB given and EQ is parallel to AP. I have proved just now. So therefore, can I say Q is the midpoint of PB. So therefore, this part is equal to this part. Can I say that equal to X? So this is X and this is also equal to X. Similarly, in triangle D, Q and C, QC is parallel to PF. I have proved just now, and F is the midpoint of DC. So therefore, by converse of midpoint theorem, P becomes the midpoint of DQ. So if PQ is X, then this will also become X. Therefore, DP is equal to PQ is equal to QC is equal to X, and you can straight away write here itself, hence proved. You have proved. Because all the three parts are equal, therefore you can mention this is, if you want to prove still further, you can write DP is equal to PQ is equal to QB is equal to X. Therefore, what will be DB? DB will be equal to 3X. Now, what will be DP upon DB? What is DP? DP is X. So, DP upon DB will be X upon 3X, 1 upon 3. So, therefore, DB goes there. DP is equal to 1 upon 3 DB. And similarly, QB is 1 upon 3 DB. Hence, we have proved the sum. Okay. So, what is the main part in this sum? First, you have to prove that this quadrilateral AECF is a parallelogram. This is what I have written over here. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. E and F are the midpoint of AB and CD respectively. To prove AF and EC trisect the diagonal, that is DP is 1/3 of DB and BQ is also 1/3 of BD. Proof. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, AB is equal to CD is equal to 2A. E and F are the midpoints of AB and CD respectively. Therefore, AE is equal to A and FC is also equal to A. Therefore, AE is equal to FC will be equal to A. AB is parallel to CD, opposite sides of a parallelogram. FC is parallel to AE because the points are collinear. From 1 and 2, you get quadrilateral AEFC is a parallelogram. Now in triangle ABP, A, B and P, you have this side is parallel to this side and E is the midpoint. Therefore, Q becomes the midpoint. Therefore, both are equal to X. Similarly, in triangle DQC, PF is the midpoint and PF is parallel to QC. Therefore, P is the midpoint. This is X and this is X. So, you get all three. DP is equal to PQ is equal to QB is equal to X. Therefore, DP upon DB will be X divided by 3X, 1 upon 3. DP is 1 upon 3 into DB and similarly QB is also 1 upon 3 into DB. Hence, we have proved this sum. Okay. Please note down this sum.